Hello, my name is Felix Gillet, and welcome to another episode of the Hidexe tutorial series. In this episode, I will give you an overview of the different sections of the platform. The top bar regroups all sections. You have the dashboard, the sell and buy section, the notification bell, and the section to manage your company. We will take a closer look at the sell and buy section during another episode. In this episode, I will show you how to manage your company and user profiles. To access your company profile, just click on your username and click on Manage Profile. This will bring you onto a page showing you your company information and your locations. The locations are an important element of your profile, as they are used during the auction creation process to indicate to potential buyers where your product is available. Moreover, they are used during the contract processing for transport arrangements. The default location is always the headquarters, but new locations can be added by clicking onto New Locations. Here, you can add production sites, warehouses, and subsidiaries to your profile. Next, we move to the user details section. It shows you all members of your company, and interesting aspects are the user permissions. Full trading rights means that the user is authorized to create and to bid on auctions. Read-only rights only allow the user to process the contracts. Next, we have the invitation lists. They are used to invite other companies to auctions or to authorize them to take part in private auctions. You can create a new list by clicking onto New. You can give it a name and as many invitees as you want. Then we have the notifications. They are used across the platform to notify you of events, such as auction expiration, new bids, and so on. Notifications will appear on the notification bell, and you can also specify whether you want to receive an email for each notification.